Every night fucks every day up. Everyday patches then right up. Oh God, you should match it, it's that KO. No white lighters till I fuck my 28th up. 1998, my family had to act with. Oh, the legend. Got at least 6 discs and a change. Back when Boswell and Percy had it active. Couple bishops in the city building mansion. Oh, the reverend. Reaching self-made millionaire status. When we could only eat at Shoney's on occasion.
Good morning, y'all. So as y'all can see from the title, we're just gonna be doing a spend a day with me. I gotta go to work later. I don't know what else is gonna happen. I'm gonna keep this intro short and sweet because y'all see he's ready to move. He's ready to get out of here. I still need to get ready for the day, do my little morning routine. So yeah.
Puma hanging on my neck. The bracelet matches a set. My brother name is Tina Dollar. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprinters to Quebec. Cherie, où est mon bec? They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set. You know I gotta bring the G block. You know I gotta bring the D block. Cause you know how sticky it get. Hey. You know how sticky it get, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. She want me to play with that cat, ayy. She love how I make it on wet, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. Hey yo, Eric, bring them girls to the stage, cause somebody's getting paid. And free big slime out the cage. And Shorty tried to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed. Cause every song that I made is ringing like I got engaged. I love my guys, I wouldn't trade, ayy. From the cradle to the grave, ayy. Gordo got me on the wave, ayy. And got me on the way, couple of hits, now you brave, what? You niggas better behave, what? All that pumping up your chest, what? All that talk about the best, what? You know how sticky it gets. Yeah, if I'm with 2 of them, then it's a threesome. If she alone, you know she a freak one. If it's an escort, it's a police one. King of the hill, you know it's a steep one. If we together, you know it's a brief one. Back in the ocean, you go, it's a deep one. Forgave niggas and they feelings. Lucky for y'all, we don't do civilians. You say I changed, I say that I millions. I did. The toughest actor follows back on tour. Off-road, made back, Pyrex, trap, Virgil came back through the boy. Damn. That's something to me. Niggas really had their back turned to me. I ain't talking my assistant when I say niggas down to pack something for me. Then they thought they had a trap set for me. How you really think that went for me? Niggas gotta do a fact check for me. When everything's put to rest, and everybody takes a breath, and everything gets addressed, it's you alone with your regrets. All that pumping up your chest, all that talk about the best. You know how sticky it gets. Like we weren't supposed to come up with that.
Alright y'all, so right now it's about to be 12:30. Usually I'll be like starting to prepare like lunch and stuff for my son because his nap time is coming up at like 1:30, 2 o'clock. Right now I'm about to run to the store real quick because my mom, she follows this lady on like Instagram that like does like couponing hacks and stuff like that. I'm gonna put the screenshot right here. So this couponing video or whatever is a Saturday only. So my mom wants me to go real quick and coupon for her. I think it's best that I go anyways because she never gets the coupons right. Like last time we were supposed to spend a certain amount. We ended up spending like $10 over. She just don't have the patience for it, but she be wanting to do it. So I think it's best that I go make sure everything is straight. She's going to stay home. As y'all can see, my house is being painted right now. So she's going to stay home with the babies and make sure they're straight. They eat lunch and stuff like that. So yeah, that's where I'm about to go right now. When I get back, I don't know. I think it's going to be my son's nap time, or hopefully I'm not gone too long. Hopefully I'm gone like 20 minutes. But yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do when I get back. I think I want to show y'all one of the packages I got. As y'all seen, I opened my son's package. I ordered him clothes probably like a week ago or 2 weeks ago or something. And I got a package in yesterday. So I wanted to do like a little try on haul with you guys. So I'll probably do that before work. But yeah.
I got a pack, get him and do it again. Fucking, I'm fucking a friend. I got bins, money, I'm flying to friends. Chicken tell a nigga lean. You got a man, know what I do to your mans. No, I ain't shooting the hands. Took an airline, took one again. Crash Ferrari, so I hop so in.
Y'all, I talked about my mom overspending. I overspent, but I still did good. Y'all kind of seen what I got already, but I'm gonna show y'all again. So we got this. We got some Irish Spring soft soap, 2 like Dawn refills, Colgate, and then Ajax. So basically for all that, I spent $12.93, which I don't think is bad. Like, I think what messed me up was that they didn't have one of the items on the list that the lady was talking about, so I think it threw everything off. Originally I was supposed to spend $5, so I don't feel like I spent too much. This alone originally was $8, so that's what I'm saying. I saved $21.49. So like I said, y'all, I save money. A win is a win. Like, it wasn't as much money as I thought, but it was my first time, so yeah, like I said, that's about it. Right now, I'm about to go inside and see where my baby's at. Like, if he's sleeping, if he needs to eat lunch still. I have to work at 4, so I'll probably either come back right before I leave, or I don't even know if that makes sense. Or I'll probably come back at night for real, like when I get off. So basically, today I work 4 to 8, like a little quick in and out type of shift. So like I said, y'all gonna see what y'all see. I'll probably just have to like get ready, put my baby to sleep, and just chill until I gotta go.
Kept the Galleria open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little baddina. We stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then. And you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making wait till your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, dirtied up a couple on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably go aside. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby, hold tight. Touch the city with the Jeep block stainers, and we got adopted by some fifth ward strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never